Hi, my name is Michelle Kostakis. I want to talk to you about Legacy Leaders Academy. I know this sounds corny, but it's the best thing that's ever happened to me. I have been in the work at home arena for over 20 years, and I have never experienced anything like this. The quality of the training, the commitment that was behind it, the products that we are being given to enhance our growth and our sales is unlike anything I've ever seen. Just the care that Amanda has for all of us and the fact that she wants our businesses to succeed just shines through and through in every single training and everything that she is giving us at our fingertips for success. And if I've become the top salesperson, oh my gosh, I've never been able to say that with any other company. So if I can urge anybody out there to, take one more chance or, start and have it be your last, this is where you need to be. Legacy Leaders Academy is by far the best decision I've ever made in my entire life.